All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Anthony here with Special Analysis. Going to walk you through kind of the thought process this morning on the market I am personally trading. Broadly speaking, the market was just awful. Okay, we had some numbers come out at 10 a.m. Not that that really helped or not, but crude oil was really super choppy, as you can see. The NASDAQ, the S&P, and gold really not much better. So what do you do on mornings like this? I mean, listen, hindsight, I would have just not traded at all, okay? Because it is what it is, right? But here nor there, there were a couple areas of the market that did meet my trade plan. So I did, in fact, take some action. It was less than desirable action, but it is part of the deal, right? Like, not every day is going to be what you want it to be. So let me just kind of walk you through some of the spots where I got in the market here, and things didn't necessarily go as well as planned. So we took this pullback up here into this little consolidative state. I felt pretty good about it. Price came back down, pushed back up. I thought we were going to hold right here at like 92-ish, 72, 92. We did not. We broke above that. I took a very small stop out. Less than happy about that. We push up, identify a nice area of absorption here, particularly at 72.96. That holds. Take a little push here into 80, take some profit, got stopped out on the balance. And now, mind you, I'm looking for this to flush these lows. At the same token, I was also very aware that this was a shallow lower low. So really, I was looking for a retest of them to confirm a bottoming pattern more than anything. And it didn't really transpire. Took another push up here. Wanted to get short right here and hesitated. Something just made me wait a minute. There was a bunch of absorption here, but I was a little concerned that we were going to run at these highs. And we were very short of testing the VWAP. Normally, if we're close to the VWAP, we're going to test it. So I waited, got what I really liked up here, and this trade worked out pretty nicely. So I took a small stop out. I took small profits and got stopped out again. I wanted to get short here, but again, I had reason to believe that we would test the VWAP and maybe deeper into these prior highs, which we did. This really turned out nicely, and I even spoke about this out loud. I said, hey, if this is a spot that we're going to correct and push lower, this may be it based on this prior high and based on the session VWAP. So this did pull down pretty nicely. I was really looking to retest these lows just into 60. You can see we pushed all the way back up. The balance of my position got stopped out. Is what it is. Took profits on the way down. Got whacked out on the way back up. Did push again. Got as low as 61. Didn't get 60. Didn't get these lows. We make a new higher high after the opening bell. And at that point, guys, truthfully, I was frustrated. Because the more that time went on, the more it was obvious that we were just in a choppy market. So, again, the little win that I took here offset the little loss that I took there with the little, in and out. So that kind of kept me at break even. This here, I did pull profits very quickly, only because I was concerned that we were going to get choppy again. So I pulled profits quickly here. Net for the day. It was a profitable day, but it was a stressful day, right? It was a stressful day because the price action was not that great. Again, I mentioned this live that I was like, hey guys, this is a very shallow lower low here and also a very shallow lower high. So the bottom could be in, or at least for the session, we could be starting to make a bottoming pattern, which led me to, I was really looking for a confirmation, and that confirmation kind of came in a little later than I had desired it to. I was hoping that from one of these points we would push and then really just confirm that the low was in and then start working our way higher. Again, that didn't happen until, you know, the 10 o'clock low, and then finally placing a high here at 10.25. This is really what's telling me now, hey, this 72.80 area is pretty firm. You can see we've just tested it. We're pushing off of it right now. But I was hoping in these earlier attempts to retest these lows and kind of do what transpired here at 10:30, you know, at or slightly before 8 a.m. Just didn't work out, right? Like at the end of the day, all I can do is come to the market, do my best, give it all I have, follow my trade plan, stay calm, cool, and collected, not get mad, not get pissed off. Doesn't change anything, right? I just have to have an unaltered ego, right? No ego, a balanced approach to the market from a behavioral, emotional standpoint. Take the trades I know that meet my trade plan criteria, and let the market do what it's going to do, right? So again, net it was profitable, but it was an up and down day. I had to, you know, it was a fight to finally get that last trade here, this push from the VWAP to cover the, you know, the losses, the commissions, the entry and exits, the bid ask, and all the nonsense from these two little bump trades. So this offset all that and then put a little bit of money in the bank for the day. And then I logged out of my trading account. I was like, you know what? I'm net profit for the day. If I keep fighting this thing, I'm gonna only probably end up losing money, and then I'm gonna be really upset with myself the balance of the day that I knew it was choppy and I kept fighting it. Right? I was looking for a flush into these prior lows to confirm a potential bottoming pattern. Finally got it here. Great, acknowledged, fine, done. I'm not gonna place any more trades today. I'm logged out, and that's it. Session's over. Just a little after 11 o'clock, just finished up with my clients. I told them, hey, listen, these are less than ideal trading conditions. You need to be extraordinarily careful. Tomorrow is another day. Don't push it, right? Because all you're going to do is end up being upset with yourself later on that the market didn't offer you an opportunity, and you forced what you thought, you manipulated into believing was an opportunity. And that's the wrong way to go about it, guys. So, again, as we came in, had an expectation of a bottom being placed, was looking for these kind of retests up in this area to provide a confirmation of that. Again, we didn't get it until all the way over here, which was just not ideal, based around, you know, the opportunities that populated for me. And I'll live with it, right? I'll live to trade another day. Again, net profitable for the day, not a big day, but I'll take any day that is that's black or better, you know, knowing that what red days can look like. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little more kind of just talking through my thought process here than a technical approach, but again, I got what I wanted here at the VWAP, and I felt very confident, you know, trying to get a push back down here, and I did. I got through all this prior price action, got through 73, got through 72.80, and then lost steam into these prior lows. Ultimately, right here, confirmed that with just barely a nudge below it. Now it looks like we're placing a higher low, which could lead us into a potentially higher high, and really a genuine bottom here, beginning to form, which was my original expectation this morning, right? I was literally trying to short into a confirmation, and in hindsight, maybe I shouldn't have placed any trades today at all, but here nor there, I did. I have to live with what I did. I have to live with the outcome of what I did, and that's something that every trader faces, right? You know, looking back now, I'm like, man, I should have just left this market alone. I didn't. I was looking to take that confirmation leg lower, and had two kind of failed attempts, and the third worked out pretty decent. It is what it is. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to share with you my thought process, share with you my technical approach, so that you have some insight to the way, you know, I navigate the market. And if you enjoyed this, make sure you like the video. Feel free to leave a comment below, and of course subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, guys.